Let us see how ladyfinger is made. Initially, ladyfingers are taken. These ladyfingers are washed with water. All ladyfingers are dried with cloth. Then ladyfingers are cut into small pieces with knife. Cumin is taken. Mustard is taken. Turmeric is taken. Small pieces of green chili are taken. Salt is taken. Coriander is taken. Crushed peanuts are taken. Pieces of garlic are taken. When all these necessary things are ready, enough oil is put in a deep pan. When oil becomes hot, then cumin, mustard, turmeric, green chili, garlic, and curry leaves are put in oil. All ingredients are fried well. Then cut lady fingers are put in the cauldron. When all things are mixed well with spatula, then salt is added according to the taste and mixed very well. Then tap is put on a deep pan to get vegetable cooked well. Then crushed peanuts and coriander are added in vegetable and all things are mixed well. Lady finger is ready to eat.